Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2015 Ford Focus SE hatchback. And if any of you know me, you know I love the hatchbacks. They're extremely versatile. They're roomy in the back seat. You can lay those seats down. The rear hatch opens wide open and you can put anything you want in there. This one has low miles, factory warranty, does have your premium alloy wheels, is very clean inside and out. Again, this hatchback design, that opens up pretty wide, as you can see. This rear cover will remove and the rear seats will lay down in a 60-40 split. If you look at the pictures that we've got on this one, we've got a complete layout of how the seats work in every configuration. Back seat is spacious. And again, this car is very clean. This one does have your keyless entry. Does have, of course, your power options. You do have a height adjustable seat there. This one has your duplicate audio controls and your cruise control. This one does have the sync system, so you can sync your phone. It will stream your music. You can answer phone calls right from the steering wheel. Never have to take your eyes off of the road. You do have two USB ports, one there and one in the center console. And folks, one of the things I like best about this one is that you're looking at 36 miles to the gallon. As you can see, this car's got plenty of room inside and out, and you can haul anything you need to haul, and you're getting 36 miles to the gallon. That's hard to beat. This car is extremely affordable and ready to go. If you have any questions, text us or call us at 540-433-7335. Keep in mind, at City Motors, we don't have any processing fees. So come down here, take this car for a test drive, and see how incredible it is. Thanks for stopping by.